Hello students, how are you? Hope you are staying safe at your home. Let's start with the first chapter of business studies, that is nature and significance of management. So what management is? Management is basically the art of getting things done through others effectively and efficiently. Basically, management is what a manager does. तो मैनेजमेंट क्या है? मैनेजमेंट वो चीज है जो एक मैनेजर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में रह करके परफॉर्म करता है. सो मैनेजमेंट इज एन आर्ट. मैनेजमेंट इज एन आर्ट. मैनेजमेंट एक कला है कि हमने दूसरे बंदे से काम कैसे करवाना है. तो मैनेजमेंट इज एन आर्ट ऑफ गेटिंग थिंग्स डन थ्रू others effectively and efficiently. So here we have written two words, effectively and efficiently. There must be balance between effectively and efficiently. Effectively means to complete the work on time. Efficiently means to complete the work with minimum wastage of resources. So while performing management or while doing management, you have to take care that there must be balance between effectiveness and efficiency. तो वो क्या है कि कहते हैं कि there should be balance. There should be balance. ना तो अकेली effectiveness से काम चलेगा और ना ही अकेली efficiency से काम चलेगा. There should be balance between both. You have to complete the work on time as well as with the minimum wastage of resources. So, what are the features of management? Management is a goal-oriented process. Management is all-pervasive. Management is multi-dimensional. Management is a group activity. Management is continuous process. Management is dynamic function. Management is an intangible force. So these are some of the features of management. Now we will discuss it one by one. First one is management is a goal-oriented process. So management is a goal-oriented process means that we perform management or we do management just to achieve our goal. So management is the process of planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So we are doing management, we are performing the management just to achieve the goal. So management is a goal-oriented process. Second one comes management is all-pervasive. Management is all-pervasive means that management is required everywhere. Management is a universal phenomenon, that it is required in business organization or it is required in non-business organization. Management is required in our daily life as well. Management is required in government organizations, semi-government organization or a private organization. Management is required in the profit-making organization as well as in the non-profit making organization. So management is a universal. Management is all pervasive, that it is required everywhere, even it is required in our daily life as well. Management is a multi-dimensional. So management is not a task of a single thing. It is a multi-dimensional means management of work, management of people and management of operations. So management of work means that for which you have established your organization, you have to manage that particular thing. For example, schools are open for providing education. So schools work is to manage the education system. Next, management of people. Management of people means that you have to manage the employees of your organization, because employees are the real assets of the organization. If you don't take care of the employees' needs, then ultimately your organization will start, you can say that, sliding down. Next comes management of operations. Management of operations mean that management is having three things: raw material, finished product and semi-finished product. So management of operations means you have to manage your inventory, that how much material is kept in the form of raw material, how much material is in the production process, and how much material is kept in the finished form. That is, management is a multi-dimensional. Then comes management is a group activity. Management is not a task of a single person, so it is a group activity. Because in management we have production manager, we have purchase manager, we have marketing manager, we have sales manager, we have finance manager. So all they make a group. All they are managing the organization. So management is a group activity. Management is a continuous process. Management is a never-ending process. It is a continuous process. Management is a continuous process, means management keeps on going, that you have to perform every task after the completion of the first task. That is, management is a continuous process. एक काम खत्म हुआ, दूसरी चीज के लिए मैनेजमेंट शुरू होगी, दूसरा काम खत्म हुआ, तीसरी चीज के लिए मैनेजमेंट शुरू होगी. तो मैनेजमेंट इज अ continuous process. Management is dynamic function. Management is a dynamic function. It is only due to the management we can make the changes in our organization. So management is a dynamic function. If you want to bring any changes in your organization, then only with the help of management you can adopt those changes in your organization. Management is an intangible force. Management can't be seen, management can't be touched, but management can be felt. When our organization is growing day by day, due to the better management, ultimately we can feel that our organization is growing day by day. So management is an intangible force. So these are the, you can say that, basic features of management. So in this video session we have discussed management, balance between effectiveness and efficiency, and some of the features of management. So if you have any query, we will sort out in your tomorrow's, that is Google session. So please watch this video very carefully, and if you have any query, please note it down on your notebook, and we will sort out in your tomorrow Google Meet session. Thanks and have a nice day.